This video is part of BReal, Building Stress Resilience in Early Adolescents' Lives, a public engagement project from the University of Oxford. Our aim is to engage teenagers with evidence-based science and practices of stress resilience. Everyone gets stressed sometimes. We each differ in how much stress we have to deal with and how we cope with it. And we respond differently at different times to different problems. Differences in how people respond to stressful situations have helped the human species to adapt and survive. Teenage years are exciting, but can also feel challenging as we encounter new places, people and experiences. Leaving our comfort zone can be stressful, so we have to learn to manage it. Imagine the things that stress us are continually pouring into a bucket. The bucket represents our capacity to deal with stress. If it fills up, we feel overwhelmed. What can we do? We could release some water in a controlled way, or we could release it in one big go, making sure we have a way to avoid getting drenched. Some things are hard to manage, but we can still take action afterwards. People who can manage stress well have coping strategies to release it and help their mental well-being. Everyone's taps are different. We must discover what works for us. Things like connecting with people and developing healthy habits help the circuits in our brain to function and to adapt as we learn. Small things can make a big difference, so we need to practice. Everyone's buckets and the amount of water they contain are different. People are stressed by different things, which we can't always see, and everyone's bucket overflows sometimes. Some things that stress us are outside our control, but we may still find ways to manage them with help and support. So, what strategies can help keep our stress bucket at a manageable level? It might be spending time with other people, especially those who make us feel good. Remember, we'll make them feel good too. By doing things together and building connections with people, we're also building the connections in our brain. Or it might be doing more of what matters to us, things we enjoy that give us a sense of achievement. Healthy habits such as the right amount of sleep, exercise and a balanced diet can help. And we shouldn't just do it in tough times. We need to empty our stress bucket regularly, even when things are going well. That's how we build stress resilience, so that when a downpour comes, we have the capacity to cope. If our buckets are always nearly full, we'll live in a constant state of stress, and even small things might overwhelm us. Life is full of challenges, and it can be stressful. But the more we empty our buckets and work on building up resilience, the easier it will be to manage our own stress and to help our friends manage theirs.